Hello and welcome to BluePrism Advanced Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to get the names of the worksheet as well as the position by using three different actions. One is get worksheet names action. Another one, get worksheet name. Third one, get worksheet position. Before that, let me show you a small use case over here. If you see on my screen, I'm having a workbook with the name of employee. Over here, you can see a lot of worksheets. One is product, employees, personal details, department, designation, test. I want to collect all the names of the worksheet which are available in the employee workbook. How can we go ahead and get it? There we are having the action called get worksheet names. By using that action, we can get all the worksheet names which are available in the particular workbook. That is the first action. Now, I want to get the particular name of the worksheet by using position. Then how can we go ahead and get it? By using get worksheet name is the action which we can get the name based on the position. Now, in the vice versa, if I'm having the position, then I can get the worksheet name. Let's assume if I'm having the name of the worksheet, then I want to know the position of the particular worksheet, then in that case, I will use get worksheet position. If you see over here, I'm having the worksheet names like product, employee name, product, personal details, departments, resignation, test. If you see each and every worksheet having the position. The worksheet starts with the position 1, 2, 3, and so on. In the basis of like sheet number 1, 2, 3, and so on, like that, if you see, in the same way, we will get the position starts with 1. All right. Now, let me show you practically how we are going to get the names by using get worksheet names action. Let's switch back to Process Studio. Over here, I will explain the first action, get worksheet names. Let's drag and drop action stay onto the canvas. I'm going to change the properties of this action by clicking on the properties. Our agenda is that I want to get all the worksheet names which are available in the particular workbook. How can I go ahead and get it? By using business object, I'm going to select MS Excel VBO. Over here, I'm having action. So what is the action that we have? As I told you right now, that we are having get worksheet names, get worksheet name, get worksheet position. First of all, to get the collection of the names which are available in the particular workbook, I'm going to use get worksheet names over here. Now, if you see the inputs over here, I'm having the input handle, which we are going to use the data type which I have stored under the numbers data type, that is handle. So let me drag and drop this handle onto the value of the handle. Now, what is the workbook name? So if you have observed in our previous sessions, we have using the same workbook name to open the workbook as well as to create the instance, right? So in the same way over here also I'm going to use the same workbook name which has been stored in the workbook name under the test data type. Let me drag and drop this workbook name over here inside the value. Now, by using this action, we'll get all the names which are available in the particular workbook. Where I can store inside the collection, there I will get the outputs over here. So if you see the output over here, I'm having worksheet names. What it will do, it will get all the collection of the worksheet names found in the particular workbook. That is specified workbook. I can say over here as collection worksheets. And I'm going to store in the particular data item, that is collection. You can see over here we got created collection worksheets, which is it is having all the names of the worksheets in the particular workbook. All right, let me click on OK. Now if you see, we got the collection over here. Now I'm going to link from open workbook to worksheet names and worksheet names to close workbook. All right. Now, by using this action, that is get worksheet names action, we will get all the names of the worksheets in the particular workbook. All right. Let's see that by running the process. Process has been started. Now if you see, it is going to get all the worksheet names in the particular workbook. Now if you see over here, I'm having inside the collection, I'm having collection worksheet names, which row of 1 of 6. Now let me go back to my Excel once again. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 worksheets that I'm having. So if I want to know what are the names which we got it from the particular action, let's double click on the collection to see the output. Now if you see over here, inside the current values that I'm having all the names like product, employees, personal details, department designation, and stay. If you see the position over here, but it is not mentioned the position over here, it will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on if you are having multiple worksheets in the particular workbook. All right. I hope you understand how to get the worksheet names in the particular workbook by using get worksheet names action. Now let's assume I know the position of the particular worksheet. Over here, if you see, I'm having 1, 2, 3, and so on, right? So I know the worksheet position. Now I want to know the name of the particular worksheet. How can I go ahead and do that? Now I'm going to modify the same action over here to make you understand. And I'm going to change the work action from get worksheets to get worksheet name. So over here, I want to know the name of the worksheet based on the position. Okay, I'm going to use the values over here as is that I have explained just now. Handle, I'm going to use handle value. Workbook, I'm going to use workbook name. And now, based on the position, we are going to get it, correct? I know the position. Let's assume I know the position is 2, particular worksheet. Then I have given the value in the number type, that is integer. You can see over here number, the data type. I have given the value over here inside the value, and then the outputs, if you see over here, I'm going to get the name in the text format. So I will say worksheet name. I'm going to store in the text data type. Over here, if you see, I got the worksheet name as an output. Let's click on OK. Now let me reset the flow. Now based on the position, we have given the position as 2. If you see over here, what is the position of 2 in our Excel? That I'm having the employees. We need to get the value of the employees when we run the process. All right, let's run the process to see the output. Process execution started. And you can see over here, once the action get worksheet name has been executed, that you got the value over here as employee. Let's double click on that on the data item. You can see over here the worksheet names, we got the value over here as employee. All right. Now if you see over here in the position 2, I'm having employees. Now in the vice versa, now I know the name of the worksheet and I want to know the position of the particular worksheet. How can I go ahead and do that? I'm going to change the same action over here. Now I'm going to select the action get worksheet position. Now if you observe, for the worksheet name, we are going to give the position, whereas to get the position, we are going to use the worksheet name over here. If you see the inputs, I'm having worksheet. Now I will make the change over here to make you understand what I will do. I will use test over here. I'm going to give the value as test, and the outputs I'm going to store in like worksheet position. If you see the data type, it is in numbers, so that we'll get inside the numbers. I will get the data item over here. Let me store on that. Now if you can see that name I have given worksheet position that has been came under the category of number. All right, let me click on OK. Now if you see over here, I'm having that I got the worksheet position data item. Now let's run the process to see the output for the test. Let's run the process. Process execution started, and you can see get worksheet position action has been executed successfully. Now you can see the output over here. What is the position of the test which we have given for the worksheet? That is test worksheet in the position of 6. Let me show you the output. Now if you see, I'm having in the position of 6, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Let's assume I'm going to change the order over here. How it will looks beautifully. Now I'm going to change the position from 6 to 2 manually. So, and I'm going to save the workbook, and then let me run the process once again to see the output. Process execution started. Now we know manually that we have changed the position. Now we have to get the position as 2, right? Once it has been executed, you can see over here the worksheet position is 2. After modifying or rearranging the worksheet positions in the Excel manually. Now you can see the position of the test is 2, so that our flow is executing successfully. All right. I hope you understand how to get the worksheet names, and we have seen how to get the name of the particular worksheet by using get worksheet name. And also we have seen how to get the position of the particular worksheet name by using the names in this tutorial. Thank you for watching BluePrism tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day.